Hello and welcome to this video about database scripting using KISS. I'll start KISS up here and open an existing solution. Now this solution hasn't been synchronized yet, it's just a basic solution with the basic properties set. We have a data model, data source, test database data source and a deployment data source. We cancel that and then go to synchronize. In the first instance, KISS is going to create creation scripts as the alter scripts, as it's the first time it's seen this particular database. So we can see here for tables, stored procedures and views, we have log items. If we want to generate those log items into SQL scripts, we need a destination SQL project. As this is a new solution, we're going to have to create these. So if we go SQL alter for the alter script and SQL script DB, this is for the reverse engineering script, and we select that to alter and generate. Okay, refresh the main form here. So we've got two projects, alter and SQL script DB. The alter project has initially the creation scripts for tables, stored procedures and views. As you make changes to the data model, then alter scripts will be added in the relevant section. To get more database objects scripted, we go to script database, select the script DB project as the destination project, refresh. These are the database objects that KISS has recognized in the SQL Server database. The steps taken here are the same for SQL Server databases and MySQL databases. If we do select all, the database objects that have a count greater than 0 will be selected. Hit generate. Okay, and refresh. So now we have scripts for reverse engineering the database. So the table scripts, stored procedure scripts, indexes, foreign keys, default constraints. Now these file manifests here are linked and they cascade down to the create database script. So if you want to create one big script to create your database and populate it with the database objects we've just generated, then we can hit generate. You'll see now that this end file manifest create database is now populated, and to see the full concatenated output file, if we go to output, open output file, we can see here at the beginning of the script we've got the create database script, the user-defined data types, then all the tables, and so on, all the way down. We can now execute these scripts against a target database. The default is test. We can set it to the data model or the deployment database. We'll have a look here at our test database. This is the data model database with the tables, the views, and the stored procedures. If we have a look at the test database, we can see that there are no tables, no views, and no stored procedures. So from within KISS, we can go and execute these scripts. Now I have an error here. Due to a previous demonstration, the username data type already exists. As we've seen, the tables don't exist, so we'll execute those, no problem. Same with the stored procedures, views, indexes, foreign keys, default constraints, and again I think the roles already exist. test, so you get an error. Okay, so if we go and have a look at our test database now, remember this was empty, had no tables. We do a refresh, there's our tables, there's the views, and there's a stored procedure. As I said, as you make changes to your data model, the alter scripts for tables, stored procedures, and views will appear in here, and that will be covered in a subsequent video. Well, thank you for your time, and hopefully you'll enjoy using KISS. Goodbye.